Hi there! In this video, I will show you easy steps that you can try to fix Monopoly Go sticker not receiving. So first things first, check that your internet connection is solid. A stable connection is vital for smooth in-app features, so check that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working seamlessly. Once you've confirmed a strong connection, turn your attention to the Monopoly Go app itself. Next, you need to make sure that your Monopoly Go app is up to date with the latest version. Developers frequently release updates to address bugs, enhance performance, and in our case, potentially fix sticker-related issues. So head to your device app store, find Monopoly Go, and check for any available updates. Downloading the latest version can often bring improvements and address any glitches that might be hindering your sticker collection. If the stickers are still playing hide and seek, try closing the Monopoly Go app completely and then reopening it. Sometimes a simple restart does wonders, so if the issue persists, give your device a restart as well. This can help refresh everything and resolve any temporary glitches. Next is we need to make sure that the app has the right permissions. Head to your device settings, find Monopoly Go, and double check that it has permission to access stickers or any related features. Now if the app allows it, consider clearing the cache. But just be cautious as this might lag you out temporarily. Now, if none of these steps work, it's time to contact Monopoly Go's customer support. Additionally, check for any announcement from Monopoly Go about server issues. And that's it! Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.